Hi everyone.
You probably won't be able to hear me because of the noise behind me. So I think I'm gonna shut down or turn off the background voice, and make a voiceover like this. Okay? So here I was just explaining about a couple things and telling you that I made a video showing what I do exactly in my life, my new work, and I wanted to give you the process of my entire work from the beginning till the end. So that's what I did. So this is pretty much the software that I'm working on, which is Aspire. This software works for almost uh, every machine, every drawing machine. I think the for wood, for metal, I think so. But this is what I do. I design like drawings or stickers, and then the software convert them to codes and coordinations for the machine, so that it can like trace on. And now I'm gonna show you a couple of things that I made with the software, with the machine. This is all what we can do. This is pretty much everything we can do here. And we can go creative and make other stuff, depends on like the demand. We do everything people ask us to do: write names, draw faces, draw like these, I don't know what they call them. And that's pretty much my work. This is what I do. I spend the most of my day doing this, and like what you saw in the last video. Now I'm gonna show you how the machine works, not the advanced, but just how it works and what it does. I forgot to show you the final results because I was super busy and the client came too early, and he wanted his piece, so I couldn't. I forgot to like to shot it, like to take a picture or video. So yeah, this is what I do. Peace.